If you want to become good at playing guitar, you must have a practice schedule. If you want your health to thrive, you have days where you go into the gym that you don't miss, right? You go for a run every single Wednesday, whatever it is, right? But people who don't have a workout schedule simply do not, they're not serious about their health. Wouldn't you agree? Or if you only go work out when you feel like it, how often is that going to happen, right? But we feel like practicing guitar, so that's great. But if we have to react to every time we feel like playing guitar, then we never push ourselves beyond that little barrier when we sit on the couch, right? And we're getting heavy and we know we could be practicing, but I have to get off the couch and pick up the guitar, right? And if you have a schedule, you just do it because it's a habit and you must do it at that point. So, not having a practice schedule is like having a model train in your basement. That's the thing you go to whenever you feel like it. It's your escape. And that's the same thing here. But we also need that schedule to make sure that we have that continuity in practicing. And it doesn't have to be, hours of practicing. It's much more important to have, like, say, I must practice 2 minutes when I come home from work, because those 2 minutes almost always becomes more than 2 minutes. But it's important to start, right? Or you could say, I must practice first thing in the morning. I can guarantee you that is also going to become more than 2 minutes most of the time. Sometimes not. But then you can tick off that Wednesday and say, I practiced 2 hours in the morning, so I did my part, right? That's the schedule part. When it comes to how much you practice, that's a whole nother discussion. But if you have that schedule, then you guarantee that you will progress. Like if you have a schedule for your health regimen, you will progress, period, right? If you have a schedule for your finances and you put money aside every single week or every single month, you will progress, period, right? But if you don't have it, how much will your finances progress? How much will your health progress? Whenever you feel like it, right? And so it's going to show in your results whether you have that schedule or not. So create one right now. It takes you only 5 seconds. Just decide and make sure you can't forget. And just experiment with it. Do 30 days of practicing 3 times a day. In the morning, when you get home from work or whatever that is. And then in the evening, just 2 minutes every single time. And I promise you, you will advance more than perhaps, if you didn't do it before, than any other period in your life. See you in the next video.